Today should be pretty interesting. We're going on an S chassis cruise this morning. So we're meeting pretty locally in Woodland Hills, but then we're actually heading out for a cruise in Malibu towards Neptune's Net. As far as I know, there's gonna be 9 S chassis and 2 Zs. I don't know if they're 350s or 370s or Datsuns, whatever. That's just what I was told. So we'll see when I get there. We're like 10 minutes away and I'm kind of running late. All right, just pulled up. It's a little bit more than a Nissan, obviously, with the Mini Cooper right there. But there's also an RX-7 FD. I just have my car to the side right now because I was shooting photos in front of this abandoned Macy's, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I don't actually know how many people are coming now, but it seems to be a pretty good turnout so far. So this was set up by my friend David. He has an S13 Vert. I'll show you guys in a minute. I'll just walk around all the cars over there. Automatic 14 over here. Dealing it. My other car's broken.
Martin has a rotary that hasn't blown up yet.
Right on. So let's, again, thanks to everyone for coming. Happy New Year.
Alright, so we are heading out now. Going to the top of the stunt. I think we're going to stop there. And I'll be shooting some photos. Yeah, there's a lot of cars here. I'm really surprised. So this is really cool. Cruising down Mulholland, got a lot of S chassis behind me. I'm leading right now. This looks pretty sick. I wish we had a photographer like sitting in the car just shooting rollers right now. It would be pretty cool. We actually lost like 2 people coming up the stunt, so now we're rushing out down to PCH where we're gonna meet up with them. Then we're going down to Neptune's Net from PCH. Alright, so now a couple more people have made wrong turns. So I am literally, because I turned around, I am literally in the very back of the pack. And we're still missing the 2 Zs. They're already on PCH. Oh my god, this looks really cool though, at least. The Zs missed the lookout for Stunt Road. And then, like, I don't even know what happened. I was leading and there were a couple guys right behind me, but then everyone missed a turn for Las Flores, so now I don't even know what this street name is, but I hate driving on this street. I've been here before. It's super tight, but it's 2-way, and you can't go fast, and it's really steep and really rocky because it's been raining. My car is literally like too wide for this lane. This is hilarious. Well, I guess with all the recent rain, mainly last night, PCH up to Neptune's Net is closed. I'm actually kind of scared to get out and look at my car because we were driving through like a light layer of mud on the asphalt for like the last couple miles. So I'm probably gonna get disgusted as soon as I look at the outside of my car. There's also cops like right there. Oh god. Oh, I already see it. It's actually not as bad as I thought. New chips? Car's dirty. My car is really dirty.
Yeah. They did a great job. Okay, cool.
Sagebrush, like the cantina?
I guess so, yeah.
Isn't that like a brunch day?
There is, but I'm sure if we get there early enough, we'll be good.
Okay. Don't ref me.
Arms are locked, the hands are locked. So when you just cruise down the freeway, I'm not even running on,
That's crazy.
International.
I want to be caught.
In God we trust.
Oh!
He's not going very far without it.
You have a steering wheel?
You can go forward, you know, just wait for it.
Have a good one.
Later. Ty, keep in touch, brother.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. Hey, Chris. No one died. Kristen, thank you for being a good leader, brother. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
We gotta figure out back to the freeway. You're part of it now. Put you on the test.